Hi there. So in this video I'm going to show you how to center a div or element in HTML5. Okay, so for this I'm going to use Zurb's Foundation HTML5 framework. Okay, and we are going to use a button to center align in page. Okay, so as you can see on Zurb's side you have this button on left hand of screen, but I want to create similar button and center it, and to show you how to center a particular div or element in your HTML5 page. Okay, so download this framework and extract CSS.js, and also there is going to be a sample file. We are going to just modify that. Okay, so style sheet is already linked. I'm using the CloudFront URL for linking that, and inside your head tag you have to create a style. Okay, now for style I'm going to add one div element, so let's name it demo. Okay, so I'm going to add position for this demo, set it to fixed, then for its position from top 50%, then left 50%. Okay, so as you can see what we did, from top 50%, from left 50%, so it will be at this point. Okay, then next we are going to use transform, and we are going to tell it to translate minus 50% and again minus 50%, so this will be proper across multiple browsers. Okay, now next thing I want to also add a button. Okay, so for that we are going to use button class, and we are going to override default Zurb Foundation's button class. So I'm gonna use background dash color, and I'm gonna set this to EE 71E. Okay, so that's it. You can add additional overridden parameters like hover and focus, but I'm going to skip that part for now. Now inside your body tag just add some break so as to put you into first div class, which is going to be row, and inside this I'm going to add my div which is going to be demo. So div ID here, because we have used hash demo, so we are going to use a div ID demo, and let's close this div and then add button, then point to class, then button large expanded, which is default in Zurb Foundation. Let's name this subscribe. So this subscribe button is going to be visible at the center of screen. Okay, so make sure that every div is properly closed, and now you can just refresh your sample page and you will find that this div centers your any element that appears within that demo div ID. Okay, so you get the idea of how to use this for any div, and you can just insert any other element and make that look appear at the center of the screen. Okay, so if you compare that with this, as you can see, it is on the left hand side of screen and you will find this at the center. Okay, depending on whether your computer is horizontally wide or vertically it has more space, you will find this center is slightly tilted to the left or right depending on screen space.